guys, it's Haley. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to show you guys this everyday smoky eye tutorial. Very easy, just a couple of eyeshadows, a couple of makeup brushes is all you need, some mascara, and then of course a lip product. But if you guys would like to see my everyday smoky eye tutorial, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I already have you guys zoomed in, and we're gonna start off with this Morphe palette right here. This is one of my favorite drugstore palettes. It is the 9A Morphe palette. I have used this palette previously in one of my videos before, so I'm sure you guys have seen this already. But I'm gonna go ahead and just create an easy everyday smoky eye with this palette. I'm gonna be using a couple of these lighter shades as well as some deeper shades. So let's get started. I'm going to use this shade called Myself. It's more of like a neutral toned eyeshadow. And I'm going to go ahead and just take that onto this fluffy brush right here. It is called the Morphe M330. And what I'm going to be doing is just tapping that and putting that into my crease. So after we blended in our transition shade, which is the shade Myself that we already put into our crease, I'm going to go ahead and go down to this shade right here called Aware. It's more of like a burnt orange shade, and I'm just going to be taking it on that same Morphe brush that we had already done, and I'm just going to go ahead and tap off the excess and just place that right over top of our transition shade that we already put on. But I'm just going to leave it also in this outer half and not bring it all the way forward so it can make our eyes look more open instead of closed in. So next, I'm going to be taking this shade called Myself in the Morphe 9A palette. It's more of like a brown taupey shade, and you could leave the look just like this and throw on some mascara if this is enough eyeshadow for you, but I do want to deepen it up just a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and be taking this shade with a flat definer shader brush and just placing that onto the outer V and not dragging it all the way into the middle and the inside. So now that we have our main three colors that we were going to be working with from the Morphe 9A palette, I'm just going to go ahead and take a blank blending brush that has no product on it. And this is the Morphe M504 brush. I'm just going to go ahead and take that up against the eyelid and just kind of blend all of the colors that we put on there together. So it just looks seamless and not as messy and just really well blended. Next, since I want the lower lash line now to match the top, I'm going to go ahead and mix in the shade Myself and Aware that we used in our crease first on a flat definer shader brush. And we're just going to go ahead and put that onto our lower lash line. But I'm not going to be taking it all the way in. I'm just going to be taking it from the outer corner and stopping right at the middle. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump in with the shade called Witness that we had placed on our outer half, which was more of that brown taupey shade. And I'm going to still take that on the same flat shader brush and just place that right over top of Myself and Aware that we had already placed onto the lower lash line. This is just going to help add some more depth, but also have the colors look more rounded and put together since they do come together on the outer edge. So now that we've done the main part of our smoky eye, I want to open up the eye just a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shade from the Ulta brand. And it is the shade, it's their single eyeshadow called Bone. And it's just more of like a neutral shade, more of like a creamy shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and add that onto a flat brush. And I'm just going to put that onto my brow bone, so we don't have the colors from our crease and the outer V shade going all the way up to our eyebrows. We want it to look more open. I am now, since I'm finished with the eyeshadow, at this point you can start adding an eyeliner if you want to. If you want to kind of take it from a day to night smoky look, you could definitely do that. I'm not going to put any eyeliner or false lashes on in this video. I'm just going to keep it like this, and I'm about to throw on some mascara. So next, I'm going to go ahead and just curl my eyelashes with this Sephora Collection eyelash curler, one of my favorites. And then I'm going to go in with one of my new favorite mascaras that I've been loving lately. It is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I have mine in waterproof, but I might be getting the regular one soon because the waterproof one's a little hard to take off at the end of the day. But I'm just going to go ahead and coat my lashes a couple times with this mascara. Alright, so that finishes off the smoky eye tutorial. I already went in with some mascara to my top and bottom lashes with the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, one of my favorite mascaras recently. So if you don't have it yet, please go check it out. I'll have it listed down in the description box for you. If you can't remember what the mascara is called, I will leave it listed down below. I also went in already with a lip combination that I've been loving recently for just an everyday look. It is the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Natural, and then I combined it with the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal number 64. I will also have these listed down in the description box, as well as the Morphe palette that I used on my eyes today. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up since it really does help out my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the big subscribe button down below as well, since that will give you future notices of when I do post more videos. If you guys have any other suggestions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!